Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a local area network by using static IP address. Then we are going to use Cisco Packet Tracer. This Cisco Packet Tracer is a software that is designed for network design. Here we have router, and this is switch, this is hub, and this is the wireless device, and this is the connection like cables, and this is end device where we will find computers or the printers, TV, the smart device, and so on. And this is one emulation, the other devices, and this is multi-user device. But today we are going to start for designing a simple network by using some end devices like computers such as laptop or desktop, and where we are going to use switch in order to connect those computers on the same network. Let me choose this switch. Click on the device you need and then drag the cursor to the space. Then you are going to bring the end devices. Let me choose this desktop. You see, it is a desktop, and this is a desktop. Let me choose for computer. You see, we are going to connect those four computers on the same switch by using connection. You can click on here to this automatically choose connection type. This will help you to detect the network cable can be used. Let me choose here and here, here and here. You see, it is working. Or you can use straight through cable by clicking on the device you need to connect, then choose the port on the device. Here we have 24 port. It means this switch has 24 port. Then first Ethernet 01, then connected to the first Ethernet, where this first Ethernet on the computer is the network port. Okay, then click another cable connected to port 2. You see here there is no first Ethernet 01. It means it is already connected. Then connected to the network port on the computer. First Ethernet 0/3. Another first Ethernet on the computer. This is the PC 1. Remember, this place note will help you to write some text into workspace or into Packet Tracer. Then click here PC 2. Then this is PC 3. This is PC 4. Here we have 4 computers connected on single switch. This color is showing us to mean the port is on or is up. If you will see it is red color here, it means your port is down or it is not up. Okay, then this is the local area network using IP address using static IP address. It means we are going to configure those IP address to those computers by using manual system. where we will give a computer an IP address manually. Let me suppose that here we are using class C192.168.0.0.0. This is a network. If it is class C, it means class C has 24 bit. These three part. From here, from 192 up to this. This is the network part. And the other part is host part. It means our address of the computer will be here. If we need to give this computer PC1 an IP address, it means the host ID can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, and so on. Then this is the network address, the network, and then suppose that this PC2 has 192.168.0.2. And another one here, suppose that you have 192.168.0.3. The unchangeable part is a network part or a network address. The part which is changeable is host part. It means those computers, it is the host, or a host is any device that is connected to the network device. A host is any device that is connected to the network device. Let us continue. This PC has 192.168.0.4. You see, there is a part which is always remain the same. This from 192 up to 0 does 3 octet. It means this is the network part. It means all those computers are in the same range or are in the same network. Okay? Another one, 192.168.0.5. Okay? Then, which is the next? We are going to assign those IP address to the host. Remember, host is any device that is connected to the network device directly, where we will see what we call peripheral. Peripheral is any device that is connected to host. For example, if you connect a printer to this host or to this computer, if you have a printer that is connected to this computer, it means that printer is peripheral because it is connected to host. Which is connected to network device is a host. Let us continue. We are going to start for setting or for assigning IP address to the host. Click on the device or PC. Then you see here physical, you can power off the computer. If I powered off this computer, the network port is off. Okay? When I powered on this computer, the port is up. Let me assign this IP address 192.168.0.5. 2. Subnet mask. Here we have class C 24 bit. Then let me go here. 192.168.0.3. Okay. Then another computer. Click on desktop. IP configuration 192.168.0.4. Okay. Here we have 3. You see, we have first Ethernet 0. The link is up, where the IP address has /24. What I have said. Then here we have 0.4, and another we have to assign IP address 192.168.0.5. You see, all computer has IP address. Let us test the connection. Here we use this simple PDU. Let me test. You see, it is PC2 source, PC3 to destination PC2 successfully. Status is successful. It means I can access the resources anywhere on the computer connected to the network. Let me test from here up to here successfully. You see, it is successfully. Let me test from here up to here. It is successfully. PC1 up to PC0. Let me test this PC. It is successfully. Okay. If you have any challenge, you can contact me. Let me ask you a favor to make, subscribe, and like, share, and comment in order to contribute to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Let me ask you to follow the next tutorials I will share next time. Thank you.